So I've been doing this a long time. That is, teaching people how to use technology. This is just a screenshot of the page that I'm building that will announce and talk about what I can do for you. But the bottom line is this. I want to save you money. I've been doing certified training as a Microsoft certified trainer, teaching Microsoft official courseware for a long time, since 2002. Before that, I taught Linux and Unix operating system. Anyway, these were the typical training center type classes where you come in and sit down in front of a computer, one for each student, and I lecture about different things. I give you a book, there's PowerPoint slides, you'll read in the book, you can highlight different things, and then eventually I'll demonstrate how to do something, and then there'll be a lab where you actually do the thing on the computer in front of you, or connected nowadays to a web page that has virtual machines where you can do the same things. And that is not a bad way to learn how to do certain things, especially if you're a system administrator or you're a person who's in charge of a particular set of functions that you need to do, such as deploy operating systems out, even to bare metal systems, to manage high-end server roles and networking and storage and all kinds of things in a data center, or even using some cloud service like Microsoft Azure. All these things can be taught to you how to do all these things through the typical training model that I just spoke about. What hasn't changed, though, is how expensive these courses are. When I started out in the 90s teaching in a commercial enterprise, I think they were charging about $1,200 to $1,500 for 5 days of instruction. And nowadays, it's anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 for a week, 5 days of instruction. And I really think that keeps a lot of people out of training. Now, for a company that has employees that purchase training, they can usually get some kind of deal. So the price is substantially reduced, and then you get to go to those classes because you're an employee of that company. But what if you're not an employee? What if you're someone who's trying to change jobs, just trying to learn things? It's very, very difficult. So what I am all about is bringing these costs down. I think they're too high. I plan on charging a lot less. And that's the most important thing of having this channel that I now have and my online training business. The videos that I will present to you on this channel will be short abstracts to do a specific thing that I would normally do throughout a 1-week class that you can take online. You can, when you take my classes online, ask me questions. I will give you answers. I will find you answers. We will work together in a mentoring type relationship during the class. And even after the class, I will continue to be available as a resource to you, all at a much, much reduced price. So I'm looking at about $1,000 for a 5-day course for a person. So that's substantially less than most places charge. You will get a book. You will also get access to virtual machines in which you can connect to and do all the labs that are written in the various courses.